Alright guys, welcome to the frame. If you are here, you are officially done playing the casual creator game, and you are here to step into an arena full of elite studio operators. See, most photographers end up running themselves straight into the dirt because they are operating as a creator, not an operative. The creative essentially just plays defense. They are a little hostage to the sun, they're desperately chasing an open shade, and they're praying a cloud doesn't come and ruin their exposure. And on top of all of that, they are drowning in a mountain full of back-end admin work. So, with that, let's talk about what happens whenever you run your business off of vibes and artistic intuition without a hard system. Well, quick answer. You hit a brutal, hard ceiling. You find yourself drowning and culling 3,000 raw files on a Saturday night. You're playing manual calendar Tetris via back and forth text messages at 11 p.m. on a Friday, and you're waking up with bloodshot 2 a.m. eyes because you are endless Lightroom editing fatigue. And why? Because you have no booking funnel driving qualified leads on autopilot. You are hiding behind an outdated digital portfolio that you haven't touched in, let's be honest, 8 months. And on top of all of that, you are making amateur double booking mistakes because your calendar is scattered mess between sticky notes and digital prayers. That is not a business. That is a high stress, low margin factory job where you just happen on a camera. We do not play defensive games here in the frame. An operative builds predictable engines to completely command their creative assets and aggressively buy back their time. So with that, the frame is built off of 3 core pillars. Pillar 1 is the camera foundations. We are stripping away every artistic guesswork and laying down the cold, hard mathematical mechanics. We will dive deep into the exact foundational settings you need to master before you even touch a light. The pillar 2 is lighting, mastering lighting geometry and high-speed sync. You will learn how to treat your strobes like your own personal sun, to completely crush the ambient light, and to create premium high-ticket assets on demand. And then our third pillar is the enterprise automation. We're going to be ripping out your messy manual backend and replacing it with automatic pipelines. We're talking onboarding, we're talking contracts, scheduling, sales, everything will be running smoothly on autopilot while you sleep. Doesn't that sound great? Anyway, how to navigate this ecosystem. This platform is built for maximum speed. There are 3 critical heavy-hitting tabs that you need to lock in immediately. Ignore everything else until you master these big 3. So as we go over here, this is the classroom tab. This is where your main course sprints live. No filter, no 40-minute monologues, just high-velocity video data and downloadable presentations as cheat sheet references they can use on your own live shoots. Next up is our community tab. This is where we execute daily. You can go to our technical Q&A to get specific business bottlenecks that can be solved by the network. And you can log into our daily action themes. For example, Image Share Monday, Workflow Wednesday, and Lighting Thursday. And next up is our calendar tab. This is your operational pulse. You can check this daily to know exactly when content, live drops, and masterclasses are hitting the ecosystem before they even go live. And secondary to those big 3 would be our members tab, and would be the leaderboards to see who's the most committed in your area. Also, if you need to stop and remind yourself why you stopped being a hobbyist, you can go to the About tab as well. Now that you have the introduction to the frame, I'll see you right now in Module 1, Camera Foundations, so we can start laying down the baseline mechanics. Welcome to the family, and let's start building. Perfect. Golly, that took a long time.